As you can see, I did get a lot of new growth. Okay, y'all, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick rice water update with the rice water that I did recently, my recent rice water recipe, the Y'all Women rice water recipe, where I have orange peel and I have essential oils and all that good stuff in it. If you guys haven't seen that video, definitely go and check it out. As you can see in the thumbnail and as I showed you in the beginning of the video, I do feel that I did get some growth. I did get some growth. And I think the key thing is, when you use the rice water treatment, definitely don't mess with your hair. Like, braid your hair, leave it alone. This is how you will see the results better. Because if you use the treatment and then you still like manipulating your hair all the time, I don't think you'll see the results as much as if you just apply the treatment and then leave your hair alone. So that's what I did. I mean, my hair is a hot mess in terms of, I feel like the front is like really tangled and it's like itching and it needs to wash. But another thing that I'm going to be introducing to my hair regime, which is, listen, any natural stuff I'm down with, okay? So if it's a natural product, natural stuff, I am all down for it. So this is what I'm about to do right now. This is my Moringa hair mask. If you guys haven't checked out that video, definitely check out that video. But the rice water works, guys. You just have to be consistent with it. If you guys have any questions regarding the rice water, definitely ask me in the comments down below. But it really works. You just have to be consistent. Right now my hair is in the front, it looks all shrunken because I went to the beach and I didn't mess with my hair, so it's like a hot mess. But anyways, nonetheless, I'm about to apply my hair mask, give it a nice little wash, and it'll be back to its health in less than no time. Okay, so that's it for my rice water update.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart
wash it out. This is what it looks like when I take it on. Looking like, so I'm just going to be washing it out, and the only thing I'm going to do after is use my repairing shampoo and then that's it. Then I'm just rinsing it out. Okay, so I'm about to rinse it out. I'm giving you guys like up close and personal me rinsing this out. Then you know exactly how it feels. It feels so soft. It feels really soft. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse out my entire head and show you guys what it's looking like. I just wanted to show you guys how black and shiny my hair is looking after the treatment. I'm gonna style it, so I'm gonna show you guys my hair. So stay tuned for my style video. If you haven't given it a try, definitely give it a try. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul.